And I'd really like to thank everyone who gave me a comment, everybody who subscribed, True North Transparency for getting me out there, giving me some words of encouragement, the advertising that he did for me, telling people about me. Thank you very much to everyone who is going to support the channel, wants to support the channel. I really do appreciate it. Thank you very much. And I see you guys. I see you guys. I'm going to be making up some stickers, maybe some hats. And you guys that gave me some nice comments and stuff on the first video, I see you. We'll get a hold of each other. I'll get a hold of you. And I'm going to send you some free merch. I truly appreciate it. So back to these. This is Nomad Vintage.